Hello everyone, welcome back to HTML. It's been a long time. Today we'll be learning about background images, specifically its syntax and CSS stylings. So first, moving on with the syntax, background images can be applied to almost any HTML element as long as it has a width and height attribute. Okay, so with the syntax, you can see we start off with background with a hyphen and then image preceded with URL, and we put the link or the path to a local image file within these two single quotes, okay? Or we can put that inside of the style tag. You can also apply background images to the body as well, body as in the whole entire page. And the same syntax remains even within the style tag. Now with CSS styling, we have a few examples here. When you use Visual Studio Codes, obviously it will give you more sort of suggestions to these values. So you can work around that and you can have a fun time. But for now, I'm just going to focus on these, no repeat. Why do you need this? When an image is smaller than the element, it will simply repeat itself until it covers the whole element. But sometimes that looks ugly. And if you put no repeat, it would just be a single image within an element, and everything else that is not covered by the image will be white. Background size, cover. Cover is very simple. It makes sure that the image covers the whole element. It needs to stretch, it needs to do some modification to the image. But if you put no repeat with cover, the image will not be repeated, okay? But it will cover the whole element. Background attachment style, fixed. Now this is very interesting. I can't really explain it, but I will give you a demonstration in a bit. As for background size, 100% to 100%. This works similarly to background size covers, but it has a little bit more support when it comes to resizing the window and resizing your web pages. The image will always be covering the element that it is supposed to cover. First, let's start off with P with an ID name background 1. And class for showcase. So the class will be the attributes that are common for each P tags, and the ID one will be the special attributes that are only specific to the P tag with that ID. Okay, my background 1. Then I'm gonna copy and paste these 2, 3, and 4. Gonna make this 2, make this 3, and make this 4. Same over here. 3, 4, contrast to save. And up here to the style section, dot for the class, showcase, background, image, URL, and I'm going to paste in a link. Let's go down here and have width 1000 pixel. Height 1000 pixel, border 5 pixel solid, so it will be black. And down here, let's have the ID, background 1. Then I'm going to copy and paste, paste, and make this number 2, make this number 3, and make this number 4. Background repeat, no repeat. Background size, cover, background attachment, fixed, background size, 100%, another 100%, background repeat, no repeat, background size, cover, background attachment, fixed, and background size 100% to 100%, just so we can see what does all of this do when you put it in one element. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, we don't cover, we don't stretch, we don't do anything with the image. And since the image is smaller than the element, it's just surrounded by empty spaces. For background 2, this has a fixed attachment style, as you can see. It looks quite interesting. And for background 3, we simply stretch the image to cover the whole element. And down here, we have an aggregate of all of the CSS styling. Now, if I resized it, there we go. As you can see, it doesn't matter how you resize it, it will make sure that the elements, the image will also be resized to cover the whole element. Thank you for watching. Our next topic is going to be about picture and the picture tag. Remember, learn today, better tomorrow, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.